Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the fantastic Melbourne Red 420D M Sport Coupe. The vehicle is a 2017 67 reg, comes equipped with some very sought after BMW options alongside a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. It is a facelift model, as you can tell by the facelift headlights. We've added a set of the 19-inch 704M alloys that are in the original Bi-Orbit grey, and they are in incredible condition. Sitting just behind those alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 420D, we have got the full M Sport Plus pack. Down the side of the car, as well as being able to see, it's a very clean and tidy example. You can see the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, all working very nicely with that Melbourne Red. You'll also be able to see at the rear windows, it does come, of course, with the sun protection glazing as part of that M Sport Plus package. It's got a very useful feature and option in terms of the comfort access. So I've got the key in my pocket, I can walk up to the car whilst it's locked and it will simply unlock for me, and that is the same for locking. So we'll quickly demonstrate the locking feature. Place your hand on this little pad here and it will lock, and we'll go ahead and unlock the car like so. Really useful should you have your hands full. We've got a very nice black Dakota leather with the electric movement and memory, as well as heated seats for the front passengers and drivers. Harman Kardon surround sound, once again thanks to that M Sport Plus package. You can see how clean and tidy that has been kept, as has all of the rest of the vehicle. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, folding armrests, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining. It's really nice contrast between that of a dark black leather and that of course of the Melbourne Red exterior. Again, showing you off how fantastic these alloys are. They've been kept in a really great condition. There you can see they've also got all the way around the mixed premium run flat tyres. The vehicle did come with a gloss black rear spoiler already, however we added a gloss rear diffuser to match in with that nicely. Facelift rear lights, of course, and a very large boot space. If you've not yet seen one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised. You also get split folding seats to further enhance that room. Round at the driver's side, once again, you can see that everything's clean and tidy and working really nicely with that stunning exterior colour. The Melbourne Red works very nicely with any of the additions we make, but especially so when we add the gloss and satin side vinyls. As you can see there, it's a really nice colour contrast. We'll head on inside as there's yet more special features awaiting us. We've got extended storage, we've also got power folding mirrors, as you can see here. We've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we will show you around the features of that in just a couple of seconds. Beginning with the sat nav, which includes real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on that fastest route possible. In terms of your Bluetooth connectivity, we've got telephone, audio and apps and internet hotspot. And of course, whilst you are connected via Bluetooth, it's important we stay charged. So underneath the leather armrest we have in the central console, there is a wireless charging dock also been equipped to this car. As you can see there, that's a device currently on charge, so stick it in there, simply forget about it, and that's a really nice clever feature as it frees up the USB slot potentially for a passenger to charge their device. In terms of the communication, we've already seen all of our Bluetooth connectivity for that side of things. However, multimedia, we've got DAB, music collection, we've also got USB as we've seen, alongside of course Bluetooth audio. Down here and back to the main menu, we'll show you the vehicle service requirements and service history. As you can see, everything is in green. The next service for the car is in 19,000 miles time, and that is thanks to the fact that the vehicle is not due a service and has just been serviced, at a very recent 30265. As you can see there, it even had a full service at BMW, which is of course a great peace of mind. The current mileage is 30,693. It does come with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. So there is a walk around this very nicely spec'd, very nicely presented 420D in Melbourne Red. I'm hoping you've enjoyed the walk around, and we'll hopefully see yourself soon. If you do want to get in touch in the meantime, you can of course check out the link in the description alongside all of our contact information. Again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.